Mezmoglobe Luna. The Mezmoglobe Luna is a fascinating desk toy that defies gravity and is sure to captivate its audience. This is a kinetic spinning toy that generates a 3D optical illusion of a levitating globe imprisoned inside a flowing helix. Simply twirl it with your fingers and observe as it seemingly floats in the air. Aerospace-grade aluminum is used in the construction of the Mezmoglobe Luna, which spins easily on precision ball bearings. It is risk-free and environmentally friendly because it does not use any magnetic or electrical parts. The Mezmoglobe Luna available in several colors and sizes, and you may acquire one for yourself or as a present for someone who enjoys optical illusions. The Mezmoglobe Luna is a fantastic desk toy that is presently being crowdfunded on Kickstarter for $29 to $49 per unit. Expect shipment in March of 2024. YOOATOM Origin 800, the YOOATOM. Origin 800 is more than just a power station. It's a power system that lets you swap batteries on the go, ensuring unlimited energy wherever you are. Each battery is a standalone power bank with a two-way 60-watt Type-C port, allowing you to use it individually or stack it with others for more power. You can expand your power supply from 460 watt-hour to 720 watt-hour, depending on your needs. The YOOATOM Origin 800 also features an impressive 800-watt AC output and 13 output ports, enabling you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you need to power your laptop, camera, smartphone, or gaming console, the YOOATOM Origin 800 has got you covered. You can also connect it to your smart devices via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and control it with your voice thanks to its AI voice assistant integration. It's portable, modular, smart, and powerful. And the best part is, you can get it for only $699 on Indiegogo. Cyper Pro. Cyper Pro is a tool for releasing your inner nerd and venturing into the wide world of wireless technology. It takes design cues from the original Game Boy and updates them for the present day. It can be used to scan, record, and simulate a wide range of signals, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and RFID. Completing missions and tests is also a great way to increase your cybersecurity expertise and unlock new rewards. When it comes to pen testing and hardware, Cyper Pro is your one-stop shop. In addition to being long-lasting and straightforward, it is also free to use. The current price is merely $199. You have the chance to own the most adaptable and forward-thinking gadget ever made right now. Get your hands on Cyper Pro right now and learn the secrets of wireless hacking. Tuing MultiTool. It's not necessary to seek any further than the Tuing MultiTool if you're in search of a versatile multi-tool. More than 20 tools are packed within the strong aluminum and titanium housing of this incredible gadget. The Tuing MultiTool can be used for a variety of tasks, including measuring, cutting, opening, starting a fire, and signaling for aid. In a bind? No problem. It comes equipped with a compass, a flashlight, and an alarm. There is no better companion for your everyday carry, outdoor excursions, or survival situations than the Tuing MultiTool. Find it at for just $79. Don't miss out on your chance to acquire the best multi-tool in the history of the world. When you need a tool, the Tuing MultiTool is there for you. Lirpe R1. You can do your part for the environment while you ride thanks to the Lirpe R1 solar electric scooter. It is the first brand to integrate electric mobility with energy storage batteries. The power source can be used to recharge other electronic gadgets. The battery may be charged using solar panels, further enhancing the vehicle's eco-friendliness. The Lirpe R1 is equipped with a 350-watt motor and a 4 ampere-hour battery, allowing it to travel at speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour for a distance of 45 kilometers. A sizable display, integrated brakes, and a simple folding design all contribute to its user-friendliness. The Lirpe R1 is more than just a scooter. It's also an emergency power source with a 500-watt output and a 374 watt-hour battery. Take advantage of modular and solar power with your very own Lirpe R1 for just $999. Delux PockCombo. If you are seeking for a portable and productive workstation, you might want to check out the Delux PockCombo, a foldable keyboard and mouse combo that fits in your pocket. The PockCombo is an efficient and unobtrusive gadget that connects via Bluetooth to many gadgets, allowing you to switch between them with no interruptions. An integrated presenter or sliding mouse combo, an ultra-thin and ergonomic folding keyboard, and a protective cover that doubles as a mousepad or desk holder are just some of the features. The PockCombo supports up to 40 hours of battery life and is compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android devices. Indiegogo is selling this incredible gadget for only $99. Do not pass up the chance to significantly improve your efficiency and output by not using the PockCombo. ITEHIL Coffee Maker. If you are looking for a coffee maker that can offer great cold brew coffee in just 15 minutes, you might want to check out the Wonkel Cold Brew Coffee Maker by ITEHIL. You can take your morning brew with you thanks to this coffee maker's ability to fit in a standard automobile cup holder. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, it also has a low learning curve. You merely need to add coffee grounds and water, push the button, and wait for the magic to happen. The Wonkel Cold Brew Coffee Maker has a revolutionary quick extraction method to remove the bitterness and acidity while preserving the full flavor of the coffee beans. The ratio of water to coffee grinds is another way to modify the coffee's intensity. 2 cups of coffee may be made at once with the Wonkel Cold Brew Coffee Maker, which has a 350 milli capacity. For only $128.38 on Kickstarter, you can get your hands on this incredible coffee machine. Yeedie Waist Fan. Do you long for a personal fan that could provide welcome relief from the heat wherever you happen to be? If so, you need the Yeedie Waist Fan, the 3-in-1 portable fan that clips to your waist, hangs around your neck, or functions as a power bank. The motor in the Yeedie Waist Fan is robust enough to generate an impressive airflow of 7.5 milli per second, which is 32% higher than that of comparable fans. The battery life is impressive too, lasting up to 16 hours. There are 3 speeds available to meet your various requirements and preferences. The Yeedie Waist Fan is portable, lightweight, and compact. It's perfect for doing everything outside, from working to hiking to fishing. The Yeedie Waist Fan is the perfect companion for the summer season. It's perfect for hot weather, and it won't let you down. The Yeedie Waist Fan is only $29.59 on Amazon and comes in a variety of colors. SCADU HyperClean. If you're looking for a breakthrough power scrubber, go no further than the SCADU HyperClean. It comes with 8 different brush heads that are suitable for cleaning everything from tile floors to granite countertops. SCADU HyperClean boasts a powerful engine, a long-lasting battery, and a waterproof construction. Grease, grime, and other messes can be easily and thoroughly scrubbed away. For a spotless home or office, go no further than SCADU HyperClean. It's a steal at just $49 right now for such a multifunctional and effective gadget. Get your hands on some SCADU HyperClean right now and witness for yourself how much of a difference it can make in your life. Currently, Hyperlichi is offering free shipping on all orders over $99. SCADU HyperClean is an incredible innovation in the realm of housekeeping. Just one try and you won't want to go back to scrubbing by hand. UViive Future of Cooking. The UViive Future of Cooking is a game-changing appliance that allows you to prepare any meal with the push of a button. With the use of AI and nanotechnology, it can scan, analyze, and recreate the ingredients, flavors, and textures of any dish you like. Whether you want to cook a gourmet meal, a nutritious salad, or a tasty dessert, UViive can do it for you in minutes. Your meals can be tailored to your tastes, dietary restrictions, and allergies. UViive is more than just a smart cooker. It's also a personal chef that can help you save money, time, and energy in the kitchen. The UViive future of cooking is the best kitchen gadget for today's busy households. The current price is merely $199.99. If you want to see how food will be prepared in the future, you can't afford to miss out on UViive. Lumus Maximus. The magical Lumus Maximus can transform any commonplace thing into a powerful light source. It's a great present for anyone who enjoys seeking out the unknown, or who could use a little light in their lives. Saying the words Lumus Maximus while pointing at what you want to be illuminated is all that's required to activate the device. Instantly, a soft, warm light that may be adjusted by rotating the device will illuminate the thing. The thing it illuminates is unharmed, and neither batteries nor electricity are required to power Lumus Maximus. Everything from books and candles to plants and animals can be used with Lumus Maximus. You may even use it on yourself and become a human flame. If you're an explorer, a dreamer, or a magician, then you need a Lumus Maximus. For just $199, you can own one and experience the magic of light like no before. The ultimate source of illumination, your very own Lumus Maximus. Fury Camping Equipment Integrated System. The Fury Camping Equipment Integrated System is lightweight and weatherproof. Waterproof and breathable fabric, a robust frame, and mesh doors and windows make the tent large and easy to put up. With a hood, plush lining, and a two-way zipper, the sleeping bag is warm. Multi-compartment, padded straps, and a waist belt make the backpack comfortable and stable. Its windproof burner, piezo ignition, and hour-long fuel canister make the stove compact and efficient. With a rechargeable battery, solar panel, and USB connector, the lantern is brilliant and adaptable. Water bottles, knives, compass, first aid kits, and more are included in the Fury Camping Equipment Integrated System. The backpack can carry and store all these goods. Nature and adventure lovers will adore the Fury Camping Equipment Integrated System, a complete and high-quality system for $199.99 is a wonderful price. Break X1. The Break X1 is a high-powered speaker that can fill a room with 100 watt of intoxicating sound. Although its form is smaller than that of most speakers, its sound is so powerful that you will feel as though you are in a nightclub. The three drivers in the Break X1, 2 bass and 1 treble, allow for a full and well-rounded sound. It also features a lengthy battery life of at least 6 hours, so you can keep the party going without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're planning an intimate gathering or a massive party, Break X1 is the ideal speaker. It features a modern and sophisticated look, and it's simple to hook up to your gadgets via Bluetooth or AUX. The affordable price of $199 for the Break X1 is a steal for such a high-quality speaker. Here's your opportunity to acquire a Break X1 and throw the best parties ever. Cheerdots 2. If you're a modern person who uses multiple screens for business, school, and enjoyment, then Cheerdots 2 is the gadget for you. It's a Bluetooth-enabled wireless mouse, touchpad, and laser pointer. Switch to air mode and utilize motions to navigate your screen, or use it as a traditional mouse on your desk. It can also be used as a presenting tool, complete with zooming in and out, page turning, and laser pointing. Cheerdots 2 has a low latency of 7 Ms, is small and lightweight, and has a long battery life. It works with Macs, PCs, phones and tablets, and even Linux. If you're living a modern digital existence, Cheerdots 2 is a must-have. The retail price is $70, but you can acquire it right now from the manufacturer's site or Indiegogo for only $69. This is your one and only chance to own the world's greatest mouse.